Welcome to our channel. Today, we will be examining a significant topic pertinent to all of us striving for financial prosperity. We will probe into 11 wealth traps that you should diligently avoid if your goal is wealth accumulation and leading a prosperous life. So, let's take the plunge. The first point is the danger of overspending or living beyond your means. This is a practice that has become almost second nature in modern society, and it's a guaranteed roadblock on your wealth accumulation journey. Picture this. Every time you spend more than you earn, it's like digging a hole. The more you overspend, the deeper the hole gets, and the harder it is to climb out of. This could be as simple as regularly buying designer clothes or dining at upscale restaurants when your income doesn't cover these luxuries. A simple yet effective strategy is to create a realistic budget that accounts for your income and expenses and stick to it. Second on our list is to avoid the temptation of get-rich-quick schemes. These are often perpetrated by individuals or organizations promising overnight wealth with little effort involved. An example might be a multi-level marketing scheme that requires significant upfront investment with high returns. Always remember to do thorough background checks and extensive research before investing in these ventures. Most importantly, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The third point stresses the importance of not neglecting savings and future investments. It's easy to become absorbed in the immediate and lose sight of the future. However, the future will arrive, ready or not, and it's our duty to ensure we're financially equipped. This could be as simple as setting aside a percentage of your income every month for savings or investing in a retirement plan. Our fourth advice centers on procrastination, a well-known enemy of wealth accumulation. Delaying critical financial decisions like starting an investment portfolio or purchasing property can result in missed opportunities to grow your wealth. Instead, take prompt action based on sound financial advice and careful planning. The fifth point warns against high-interest debt. High-interest debts such as payday loans or credit card debts can significantly drain your resources and impede your capacity to accumulate wealth. The best strategy is to develop a robust plan to pay off these debts as quickly as possible and avoid them in the future. The sixth piece of advice is never to neglect your health and well-being. Remember, your health is your wealth. For example, continuous stress due to work can lead to severe health issues, which can result in huge medical bills. Prioritize regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest. Our seventh tip underlines the significance of learning and self-improvement. Whether it's taking a course to improve your financial literacy or reading books on wealth management, never miss an opportunity to learn and grow. Eighthly, keep away from the trap of keeping up with the Joneses. This refers to the never-ending race of comparing oneself to others based on material possessions. Instead of buying a new car just because your neighbor did, focus on your financial goals and journey. Ninthly, avoid investing in ventures you do not fully comprehend. In the world of investment, ignorance is not bliss. Always ensure you understand the risks, terms, and conditions before you invest. 10th, don't let fear deter you from taking calculated risks. For instance, starting a new business or investing in stocks involves risks, but also brings the potential for greater returns. Take time to assess the risk, prepare a backup plan, and trust your instincts. Lastly, never underestimate the power of clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream home or planning for your children's education, having a clear goal can guide your financial decisions and actions. By prudently avoiding these wealth traps, you can lay the foundation for a financially secure future. It's not an easy journey, but with determination, patience, and the right mindset, you can conquer it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.